You're on the right.
Yep. What the fuck is going on, fellas?
Great question.
Did we win or something?
It's the men, sir. They're fucking them.
What the fuck?
They're men.
Yeah, they're doing battle cries and shit.
You fucking bend somebody over.
Battle cries. We don't start yelling in church. Come on, yell out, charge, charge. Go, go, go.
Ooh.
Fucking sniper all the way up there.
Yeah.
No one can reach shit up there.
Very end of the hill. Really? Got the sniper! Guys, you're good to push! She's got the sniper! Oh, I got one of them! There's a couple guys in that same group! Where's the other one? I'm still a little bit behind you guys. I haven't pushed up at all. I'm watching the sniper's nest. There's a sniper pretty much right up at like 12 o'clock, somewhere in there. Yeah, they're in a good little bushy area. Kind of where that ref is up there, but over to the right a little bit.
Where's the ref?
The ref was straight to my 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Are you
Yeah.
like up the hill?
Yeah. Yeah, top of the hill, they're like behind some kind of cover.
We got the smoke cover.
Yep.
Push up the smoke.
Okay.
Not much, but we'll do worse than right.
Yeah, there's still some snipers up at the very top there.
You got it on the front right, is that ours?
Yeah.
Got him.
Did you?
Yeah, same ours, right?
the far right, Pat.
I think so, yeah. Pat, bud, are you still on the far right? Okay, yep.
Okay.
That's Pat.
Everyone goes here in the front.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, hit! Yeah, that was it.
Oh, he's going, he's going, he's going. Cover,
He's going.
cover, cover.
Okay.
Cover this close.
Yeah. Last bag?
Yeah, I'm on my last. Thanks.
Don't know if these will work for you, but
They should.
they feed iffy.
Sorry,
Got issue?
Oh, it's my air.
Oh, you're out of air.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, bud. No worries.
That's me.
Oh, hit! You guys might be a lot good to push. 4 or 5 guys just dropped down. You just have to touch it! Oh, he's ours. Yeah. Right in front of you, right in front of you. Go on the right, go on the right, go on the right. Push him on the right. Hit. Did they?
Yeah, look.
Oh, barely.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What are you saying? I go back in?
Yeah, fucking go back in. It's been like a minute, you crazy fucker.
Flank around the left. Everyone's going.
Watch out for the sniper around there. Yeah. Really? No fucking way. This is fucked, man. This is fucked. New tag, baby? Huh? New tag? Yes, sir!
Chance was on your ass too, bro. He was right there.
That sexy MOSFET.
Fuck, the pin didn't pop, I don't think.
Oh, your fucking
He
grenade!
threw that right
didn't
there
pop.
and scared the
See?
shit out of me and you.
I was trying to get you, Huey, I'll be honest.
I didn't even hear it.
Pin didn't pop.
I was waiting to hear yours go off. You're fucking saving it, man.
And you too.
Came up
work,
and just,
fellas.
I
Seriously.
came up and was like, you're dead. Came behind a guy.
Do we really need a break? I don't think people have any more joints left.
Where?
No. Well, some people might have to reload, but I'll try to start it as quick as we can.
No clue what you're talking
Get right into it.